Hello everyone. Uh, when as a teacher, when my students posted a video about me on my Teachers' Day, I was so happy and so proud. I got so many acknowledgements from all corners. So I was very happy. Then I thought it's time to give back. I always remember my three teachers. One is Bishop Anthony Carriel. Father only appointed me in Christ University. That was in Christ College at that time, 1994. Second is, I consider it as a spiritual leader or a spiritual teacher, Dr. Abraham R. Seraphim, that is the Bishop of Bangalore Diocese Orthodox Church. Then my PhD guide, Dr. Jose T. Payapalli. So this video is about my PhD guide, Dr. Jose T. Payapalli. So I have fond memories about my relationship with my teacher. I consider as my guru, my mentor, and sir has helped me in my darkest time when I was going through my difficult phase in my life, in a crucial stage when I want to change my guide at Cochin University. Sir took that courage and I got a guide, new guide, and I was able to do my PhD under sir's guidance, Dr. Jose T. Payapalli. I was a student of PhD from 1990. I completed my MPhil from Cochin University, same School of Management Studies. Then I continued from 91 to 94. 94 August I joined Christ University. So I remember that how sir has helped. So then what I thought was, I was not able to give back anything as a gift at that time, because I joined in 94 and from my salary what I was getting, I was not able to save anything. But this was always there in my mind. I have to give back something to sir, because otherwise it will be like I have not done anything for sir. So what I did was, it took so many years to collect some money. I collected some money in 2009 and I had sent a Christmas time I was going to Kerala. So I thought I will send a Christmas greetings and a check also. And I had sent it to sir and I told that I want to come and meet you when I will come for Christmas. Please accept this. I was not able to give you anything at that time when I completed my PhD in 94. So now this please accept. It's so many years passed, but still I want to do that. So this sir then immediately gave me a reply. So this is the reply I want to read you. Now also I consider this, when I was clearing my things last week, I happened to read this letter again. See, I told you about my three teachers or three gurus still I respect. So that whatever, any Christmas greetings also I'll get from them, I'll keep this as a record. So last week I was searching for something, then sir's letter came to me. So that I thought I have to make a video about sir. It will be a great privilege and honor for me, not for sir. Sir is not expecting anything, as it's clear from the letter. See sir's reply when I had sent the greeting card and that check as a compensation. Sir told, Srimati Alice Mani, while thanking you for your Xmas greetings, I wish a happy and prosperous new year. Regarding the gift, I have produced 15 PhDs, of which you are one. I have not done any special help to you. On the other hand, I have got the credit that I have produced 15 PhDs, and that too due to the hard work of students. Even now, 2 are being guided by me. I had also corrected these few theses, tons of theses, including those of present faculty members of School of Management Studies and Applied Economics at Cochin University, written under the guidance of other faculty members for absolutely no credit or reward. Since you are a faculty member now, you can very well understand that we should consider such things as part of our duty. So try to help as many people as you can. That will be your best gift to me. Even though I underwent a bypass surgery on 27/11/2007, I am now doing well by God's grace. Best regards, for Dr. Jose T. Payapalli. So this is the letter, and last year sir's children celebrated 80th birthday. So they searched for few students and they got the contacts, because sir is very serious person. Sir will not mingle with students easily. So it was difficult. Somehow they got to know that I was guided by sir, and sir's daughter contacted me and I gave a write-up about this, about my journey with Dr. Jose T. Payapalli, and that also I will share in this video. I have made a mail and that has come as a booklet, and children has gave it as a gift from the students to the sir on his 80th birthday. Now this Teachers' Day, I wished sir and I called sir. Then sir told me, thank you for calling, and I'm turning 81 in January. I think sir's birthday. Sir told me 81 years. And I want to thank, this is the only way I can do that. I want to know that teachers, now when I am also a teacher, I can understand the challenges we are facing, all that. But you can remember that I still remember my teacher. And I mentioned about 3 teachers: Bishop Josti Pipe, Bishop Anthony Karil, Dr. Abraham Seraphim, and Dr. Josti Payapalli. Any day, any moment, even for 1 second, I'll close my eyes for prayers. These 3 people will be remembered in prayer. Thank you.